Let's get started. First of all, you want to make sure that if it's color, it's going to have that C. If it's not color, if it's black and white, it's just going to be, it's not going to have the C, okay? So we're doing black and white right now. Make sure this is all the way back, okay? That's huge. It's got to be all the way back. Then we're going to lift this up, and we're going to pull some off. If it's not nice and straight, go ahead and take your scissors and cut it nice and straight. And then what we're going to do is take this off, all right? So this end cap has to come off. All you got to do is just undo it like that. And then we take our post out. Ta-da! Post always goes in the left hand. And we're going to take a piece of tape about as long as your finger. And we're going to put this right in the middle. I used to do it a different way, but this way is better. The Rebels and the newer Nikons, their motors are so strong that if we don't do it this way, it'll take your film like right off the tape. It'll break the tape. So you want this to be between the flanges. It's going to be closer and closer as we go. And then kind of wind it up. Make sure it's not pinching, okay? Then see how this has a flat spot and a curved spot, kind of like a whistle. Let's get some contrast here. So there's the flat spot. Flat spot goes up, and we're going to put this over top. This is the hard part because it's got to slide right in. I'm going as fast as I can. Sometimes I come down here and do that first. Come on, dude. This is actually a good sign if it's hard to do it. Yeah, I'll get it.
Maybe.
Just hit pause. Almost.
You need someone to take over?
No, I switch arms. I'm good.
Okay.
Come on, man.
This is going to be in the video.
Oh, yeah.
Think we got it. Yeah, I think we got it. Yep, we got it. So now it's in. Okay, that's a good sign because you don't want it to leak. So now this edge right here, this edge right on top has to line up with this edge right here. So we put it on top and wind it in like that. We throw it over like this, open these, and push them back in, close the door, okay? And make sure it's all the way latched. Now we can loosen this. You don't have to go crazy, just have to loosen it, rotate it, tighten it back up, switch hands, thumbs up here, fingers up here, push this all the way in, and every revolution is going to be a picture. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's about 25, okay? Now this is huge, don't just open it. You gotta loosen it, and you gotta close the gate, then you tighten it. Now you can open it, and we take these out, we flip this up, and we grab our scissors and cut it nice and straight for the next person. Sink, like that. You don't want to cut in between the leaders because sometimes cameras won't load with those leaders cut. So now we're going to cut down like this, drive down the middle road and hang a right, only in photography. There you go.
Thank you.
We're done.